I'm HVAC repair guy, an HVAC technician with 17 years of field experience and a background as a nuclear power electrician. Over the years, I've serviced and installed thousands of heating systems. Today, we're taking a look at the System 2000 Frontier and the NTI Caprice. On paper, both of these oil-fired boilers will heat your home. But once you look past the sales pitch, there are real differences in how they perform over time. Most homeowners think the main decision comes down to brand recognition or finding the highest efficiency rating. In my experience, efficiency is only part of the puzzle. What actually matters is total cost of ownership over 15 or 20 years, which includes upfront equipment cost, fuel usage, and ongoing maintenance. The single biggest difference here comes down to energy efficiency and component coverage. The System 2000 Frontier comes in at an 88.6% AFUE rating with a 5-year parts warranty, while the NTI Caprice sits at an 87% AFUE with 1 year of coverage on electrical parts. AFUE is basically your boiler's fuel efficiency score. An 88.6% AFUE means 88.6 cents of every dollar you spend on heating oil turns directly into usable heat inside your living space, while the rest escapes through the flue. That extra 1.6% efficiency on the System 2000 saves a little bit of fuel each winter, but the trade-off is higher upfront equipment pricing. Both units feature solid heat exchangers backed by substantial protection. The System 2000 Frontier gives you a lifetime heat exchanger warranty, whereas the NTI Caprice offers a 20-year warranty. The heat exchanger is the core of the boiler that transfers heat from the oil flame into your home's water loop. If it fails out of warranty, you're usually replacing the entire unit. System 2000's lifetime backing gives you longer structural peace of mind, but both are built durable enough to handle standard residential demands if kept clean. When it comes to controls, neither unit uses complicated modulating systems or two-stage burners. They run on straightforward single-stage oil burner setups. That simplicity is actually a huge advantage for long-term ownership. Simple controls mean fewer sensitive electronic components to fail during a freezing winter night, making emergency troubleshooting much easier for any field tech. Here's what brochure sheets won't tell you. Installation quality matters far more than the name stamped on the jacket. A mid-tier boiler installed perfectly with proper draft and pipe sizing will outlast a high-end unit installed by someone cutting corners. Oil boilers demand regular annual maintenance, cleaning the heat transfer surfaces, swapping out nozzles, and setting proper combustion air. Neglecting annual service will ruin fuel efficiency on both of these systems faster than any factory design difference. Looking at market pricing, equipment for the NTI Caprice typically runs between $2,800 and $3,400, while the System 2000 Frontier generally runs between $4,500 and $5,500 for the package. That creates roughly a $1,500 to $2,000 price gap before installation labor. The Frontier's extra efficiency and longer warranties are great, but it takes quite a few heating seasons to recoup that extra upfront investment purely on oil savings. The NTI Caprice is ideal for homeowners who want a straightforward, reliable replacement boiler without paying a premium upfront cost. The System 2000 Frontier is better suited for someone who plans to stay in their home long-term and wants maximum fuel efficiency paired with stronger factory warranty protection. If it were my house, I'd lean toward the NTI Caprice. The lower initial equipment cost combined with a proven easy-to-service design delivers better overall value for most budgets. You can take part of those upfront savings, invest in a top-notch professional installation, and end up with a reliable system that runs smoothly for decades.